He said to check on the back of the compressors, that model. MSV 172, that one's gonna be the freezer. NC1 is the refrigerator. Let's see.
NC1 is this one. MSV is this.
So yeah, we were right then. MC shine the light. NC1.
That's enough.
And this side is what?
MSV.
MSV. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put a tap valve there. Go ahead. Where's the thing?
This side.
Yeah. Right on this. Going on YouTube, sir. Sir, you are going on YouTube. Can I help you? So check it out. So this one. And you got two sizes. So they give us two here. The thicker one. And then the skinnier one. So just depending. See how it moves around too much?
Yep.
So use a thicker one. Right in there. Put the screws on there. Here, hold it. And you're gonna use that Allen key too.
That gasket, you don't need it.
Where the gasket, that's an extra one. But make sure that one at the bottom has one. This one. Take it out. Yeah, so the gasket's there. Any more of the first one? Yeah, let's see what you're doing there. I'm grading you, bro. Anyway. Yeah, you thread them in right. So put them in. Take a quick break. We'll be back right now. Not cooling up on top. Down here, freezer. It's working good. So the freezer working good. So I suspect we have a leak right in here. We're gonna fill it up with nitrogen. Boom. Yeah. So from right here, this is our, I guess you can say, piston and the cap. I'm gonna put this here, it's gonna pierce it. Put the cap right here. And you're gonna thread it in. It's on there?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna use these channel locks here. Start threading it in. Turn it until it, so you can't turn it no more. It's gonna get to that point where that cap is gonna almost break through. Keep turning it.
Did you see that?
What?
You don't see that little bit of liquid fall off?
I didn't see it. Maybe the camera cut it.
It'll look. Oh no. Where else? Like little pieces of metal falling off.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's not.
Alright, keep going till it breaks. Oh, that metal is just from the should be good. Okay, back it off now.
Bring it up.
Yep, untie it. And fast. Oh, there. This way. Okay, right there, we should have pierced it. Let's see. Put this gauge on there.
Oh, is that like a different way to do it?
Yeah. Instead of doing it with a clamp, thread it to the right.
Alright.
Thread.
I hear something.
Alright, so we got flow. And it's at 0.
I don't know how much space do your phone have.
It's got less paper. Here, hold it. Let me see. Shine me up here. Let's see if it pierced it. So,
Stop.
no, not stop. You are. So, again, let's try it again.
Didn't pierce it?
I don't know if it did. So, usually I'll go until it breaks that cap. You see how it's almost breaking it? Let's go. Bam, right there. And then back off on it. And
My phone usually says like a minute, 2 minutes.
no shit.
Because then it runs out of space.
Alright, so before we throw nitrogen in there, we have to unplug it from right here. Alright, now we're gonna spit nitrogen in there. Start getting the soap and put it in the coil inside. Over there inside the coil. Yeah, indoor. Alright, here it goes. You should start seeing bubbles there. Sí, vamos a buscarlo. A ver dónde está. Right where we said it was, like you see those bubbles right there?
Oh, right there.
No, the ones right there below where it's green. Right here. Right below. Spray more right there. Okay, at the bottom, you see the bottom? Clear the bottom right there.
Oh, yeah, right.
Clear it. Clear it with your hand. And spray now. Spray right there. So when you spray with this, a little trick, you go like this. This. Instead of spraying like this. Like you see how it says, what is it, spray?
Yep.
So you don't want that because you're creating bubbles. We know the leak's right there already. We see it. But try to put it on stream. Like stream sniping. And you go like this. Lightly.
Like your pee.
Yeah. And let the leak show the bubbles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't. Because if you go like this, because you're
Pressure.
putting bubbles there.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get confused, so it's better let this leak detector or whatever these soap bubbles do the job. Go like that. So we know our leak is right there. So we need a new coil. Yeah.